In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reinstall Windows 11 step by step. Whether you're facing technical issues, want to refresh your system, or plan to sell your PC, reinstalling Windows is a great way to start fresh. Before we begin, make sure you back up your important files if you plan to remove everything. This will prevent losing personal data during the reset. To start, click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen and select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left side panel and click on System. Then, scroll down until you find Recovery and click it. Under the Recovery options section, you'll see a feature called Reset This PC. Click the Reset PC button next to it. Now, Windows will ask how you want to reset your computer. You'll have two main options. Keep My Files. This option reinstalls Windows, but keeps your personal files like documents, photos, and downloads. It still removes apps and settings. Remove everything. This completely erases all your personal data, apps, and settings, giving you a clean Windows installation. Choose the option that best fits your situation. If you're reinstalling Windows because of errors or plan to sell the computer, it's better to remove everything. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. There are two methods. Cloud download. This downloads the latest version of Windows 11 from Microsoft servers. It requires an internet connection but ensures you get the most up-to-date installation files. Local reinstall. This uses the existing files on your device to reinstall Windows without downloading anything. It's faster and works well if your current system files aren't corrupted. For this example, let's choose Local Reinstall. After you select it, Windows will display a summary of what will happen, including which files and settings will be removed. Review everything carefully. If you're ready to continue, click Next and then Reset to begin the reinstallation process. Your computer will restart and Windows will automatically start reinstalling. This process can take some time depending on your system speed and the options you selected. Once the reset is complete, Windows 11 will reboot and you'll go through the initial setup screen again, just like when you first bought your PC. From there, you can sign in with your Microsoft account, adjust your preferences, and begin using your newly reinstalled Windows. And that's it. That's how you can easily reinstall Windows 11 using the built-in Reset This PC feature. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.